Welcome to yet another project at our Ramnagar. We have done a kitchen, two wardrobes, TV unit, and few more units here. We have done the acrylic kitchen. We have given a J profile to this kitchen. This is basically a handleless kitchen. It's got a soft close mechanism from the halfway. Here, next to it, we have a shelf unit. This unit here, this is a removable shelf. This is the SS stainless steel cutlery units. We have given one. Cups and saucers, baskets, and the for a thali, for the plate organizer. And next to it, we have given the Hettich innovative drawers, which can hold up to 50 kgs. And 2-tier water pull-out. And the part of any L-shaped kitchen is the corners. To maximize the accessibility of the L corners, we have made use of the L corner access till this end. Till this end. I can access till this end. Even the bottom also I can access till the end. So the L corners gives you the most accessibility. And next to that we have one more shelf unit. And on wall unit, here we have given again removable shelves. They can adjustable also. Storage here. We put the frame and shutters. Colors matching to the same kitchen. This is loft with the frame and shutters. And other side also the loft frame and shutters. We have given the shutter units to store their materials here. And go-to shutters. We have a drawer unit with the cutlery, spoons, and other small items here. On the wall unit, we have given the glass shutters, which acts like a display and clear with the clear glass shutters. With the removable shutters. And yes, they had a sajja here, and we had to cover up with the panels, and we have given the completely loft. TV unit. We have a suspended TV unit. Whatever you can see, there is a space. Which is not touching to the floor. We have given 4 suspended drawers and space, open spaces for them to keep the set-top boxes, their Wi-Fi routers around here. And here we can have up to 55 to 65 inch big television can be fixed onto the space. We have made a provision for the electric wires and this hole which we can put the HDMI cable and then comes we can pull it out from the space. Very thick 36 mm ledges, suspended ledges on either side of the television, and one full ledge flying moving from this to end to end. Here in the entry, we have a room separator which has got pillars and space to display the artifacts. This was a very big hall here. We wanted some kind of blinder which can separate the visibility or cut off the visibility from the foyer area outside to the living room. So we made this room separator. So that they wanted a seater which they can keep the newspapers, UPS, battery, or any storage here. This is a space which acts as a seater for them, and also a storage in the bottom. This is the other side, and as I told you, this room separator is dividing the foyer area and the living room. And towards the living room, we have given a storage so that they can keep the newspapers, any of this storage, Apple storage, and the removable shelves. Here we have given some spotlights to illuminate the artifacts which they keep in the space. Yeah, this is a master bedroom, traditional almirahs, and also the modern storage like wardrobes. We suggested them to have a shutter and keep the work inside the space. So from outside we put the same view. And here we have 2 wardrobes. This is the key section where we have provided the hanger rod, and 2 drawers and a removable shelf space. And here it's the sheet section. This for the ladies. Basically there are a lot of sarees and a lot of shelves and single drawer and the hanger rod. And next to that we have a dresser unit. The mirror is actually recessed a little bit into the wall, and niche is created where they can have the space for the spotlight. famous for light, and your ample space to give cosmetics, their beauty items, and also the mirror here. Along with that, we have provided two toilets in the basic requirement.
Inform my friend that we are going to start the interiors. So the project is done in the village. This was for my parents who was going to stay here, and for my mom. Actually, she likes everything to be clean, and that is where perfect. So I just invited my friend Jagdish so that he can do a one-stop shop for me. He can do an end-to-end project interiors basically. And then he just came over and he just took a look at the site, and then came out with his designs, and then suggested what will be the design which will suit my house. And then he came up with few designs, and then we shortlisted 3D designs, and then we shortlisted this whatever you are seeing now. We shortlisted this design, and this is the product which has come out very beautifully for us. They came up with a 3D design, and so then we shortlisted design which we like. And then after shortlisting the design, he invited us to his factory. So we went there, and he just showed us how the production will be done. Basically, plywood they use, and what kind of laminates they use, and how the laminates will be pasted to the plywood, and what kind of machineries or equipments they use for that, and what kind of how the explaining will be done. So everything end to end was explained to us. He also took us to Buda, where they procure the laminates as well as the plywood, and then he just explained us how they can do it with such good competitive pricing, how they can complete the project with such competitive pricing, and what is the reason behind that. So that was explained to us, and end to end they took the measurements. Once we gave a go ahead, they completed the entire end to end within like 1 week, and then they materials over here to the site, and the installation was done in a week's time, around 7 to 8 days of time, in spite of all the hurdles we had with the electricity, because this is a remote village, and even with the hurdles, they did a good job of completing it within 7 to 8 days. And finally, we are happy with the product, kind of product which has been delivered to us, and even my parents are very happy. And thanks to Jagdish for getting this done within such short time, because we had our puja date fixed, and we wanted this to be done really at a jet speed, and this has been done, and we are happy with what Jagdish has achieved so far. Thank you very much.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಅಂತ, ನಾನು ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಅವರಮ್ಮ. ಜಗದೀಶ್ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು. ನಾವು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಯಾರನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದು, ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದು. ಯಾರನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ. ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಯಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕನ್ನು. ಟಿ ವಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಅವನಿಗೆ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಿಚನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರೇ ಕಲರ್ಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ವಾರ್ಡ್ರೋಬ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬೀರು ಇಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಂತೆ ಇರೋ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಟಿ ವಿದೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಂತೂ ಬಂದವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಮಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನೇ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಅವರು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಕರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಲುಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ. ಇದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಕೆಲಸ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಮಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ಅಂತ, ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ. ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಮನೆಗೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ, ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಜಗದೀಶನವರ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರ ಕೈಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಂದು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಆಗೋ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಮೊದಲಿಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ತೃಪ್ತಿಕರ ಅಂತ ನನಗಂತೂ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ. ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದರೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.